Part 3 of a homemade fidget packet. This part, I'm going to be unboxing it. Here it is. It says Mystery Fidget Toy Package. There is one common, one rare, and one legendary. So let's get into opening it. So first I'm going to open up this common fidget. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's a marble and mesh. Whoa. Now let's see what's inside this rare. Oh my goodness. It's a rainbow heart puppet. Time to see what's in the legendary. Oh, it's a triple dimple fidget spinner that's rainbow cheetah print. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Go to part 2 and part 1 is